SPSS statistics. For this, we will be using a data set called let me see. Data set 1. It's also in content section, the old data set. And this is what I was talking about in terms of types of variables. So numeric variables, they could be ordinal, they could be integral ratio, and string variable, it means it's probably a nominal variable, and in this case it's country, so it's called a string variable. So don't be confused by different words. They basically mean the same thing, but softwares use different names for it. So you click analyze, and you click frequencies. If you do only descriptives, it will give you like mode. It will give you a mean, median, standard deviation, but it will not give you mode. And so to get mode, you need click frequencies. So let's see, quality 4. Let's see, regime type, number of consulting contracts. Let's see statistics. So mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and continue. And that's it. So again, for instance, for quality 4, mean is 4.1, regime type for 2.1, number of consulting contracts per country per year 4.3, and this is the median. And for instance, the mode, the most common value for regime type is 10. I guess there are a bunch of democracies. Regime type 3 and number of consulting contracts 1, which means that most countries have only one consulting contract in each particular year, and this is standard deviation. And frequency table, it just gives you like, okay, there are like 7 times we have -10 value for quality 4, and 5 times we have -9 value for quality 4, and stuff like this. So it's pretty simple, and the same in R. I know there is one student who is using R. So there's a difference if you run only like summary command, and I also posted this code in a content section. It will give you minimum, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, maximum, a number of NAs. Oops. So for mode in R, you need a specific package which will allow you to find out mode. So for instance, mode for number of consulting contracts. 1. 1 is the most common occurrence of consulting contracts. Most countries have only one consulting contract in each particular year. So this is how you run descriptive statistics, and it will be, let me stop it, and it will be in the assignment. So I will ask you to run a descriptive stats on a different data set. So you are supposed to know how to do it. And an important thing I keep forgetting. Let me share my screen again. Oops. When you are done with your analysis, for instance, in SPSS, make sure to click File, click Save As, and I'm using my name, but you'll be using your name, like homework 1. So you will be submitting in Blackboard, you will be submitting this output file from SPSS. In case of R, there is also a way to submit your output. And so if you don't know, reach out to me and I will show you how to do it in R. And yeah, that's